So I wanted to share with you guys today a new affiliate account with EARN2TRADE. So basically, EARN2TRADE is a futures trading firm comparable to the other ones that exist online. Basically they've come up with a new partnering with Helios, and also um, they've implemented a new additional broker, which is EdgeClear, and this way you're able to trade with EARN2TRADE and be funded with them. So several advantages of being funded with EARN2TRADE. Basically, the fact that EARN2TRADE allows live depth that's included in the evaluation. So you go through a monthly subscription with the account type that you want, and this way you could get funded with EARN2TRADE once you've gone through 15 days. So they have some rules that are slightly different compared to the other companies out there. So you just have to be aware of, breaking the rules. End of day drawdown that they have now. They have a daily loss limit for each evaluation account, and also a progression ladder, which is important to understand because you're able to trade only a certain amount of contracts before hitting a target. What's really cool with EARN2TRADE is that, first of all, you could email them to get a real-time commission structure so that the fees per trade are kind of reflect the real trading sizes. You can email them to cap your trade size. So if, for instance, if you're taking the 3 contracts here, you could not go over 2 contracts before hitting 1,500 as a profit. After 1,500, you're able to add a 3rd contract to it. So the fact that you're allowed to trade 3 contracts is kind of not true. You can only trade 2 at the beginning before you hit 1,500 as a profit target. Like I said, the live depth is included. You just have to enable it once you're in your Gauntlet account structure, and then also for the different account sizes here, you have a monthly fee that you have to just continue paying if you do not if you haven't finished getting funded in 15 days. And you also are able to reset your combine like the others, where you pay $100 fees to reset the account, so that they're at 100, which is close to what the others are providing online, because the other ones are approximately at $80 or $85. I personally have been funded with EARN2TRADE, so I also know maybe 4 or 5 traders who are currently trading with them. So it's pretty interesting to have these prop firms to be able to go get the additional cash and make additional profits here. So once again, as I said, in their new update, EARN2TRADE has added EdgeClear as a new broker. So this way, EARN2TRADE traders are able to use a second account for their evaluations. So you could either have a live sim or a live account. EARN2TRADE also allows to do withdrawals that are, pretty comprehensible compared to the others. Some of them are on a monthly basis after a certain number of active trading days. With EARN2TRADE, all withdrawals are processed once a week on Tuesdays, either through bank account or PayPal. You just have to, validate and inform them when you want to make withdrawals from your account. As mentioned before, the asset classes that you're able to trade with EARN2TRADE is CME, CBOT, NYMEX, COMEX, so you're able to trade the ES, Nasdaq, the regular CME products without any issues. You also have access to NINJATRADER and FINAMARK. I will get to FINAMARK a bit later because I will show you the platform because I have access to a simulated platform with them. I've personally not used it, but I know several traders who do, and it seems like it's pretty interesting to have them as a backup if ever you're trading with a prop firm like EARN2TRADE. Before I get to the details of FINAMARK, I want to make sure that we really discuss quickly what's important with evaluations. I think this is a great way to really understand and learn market structure instead of trading with real capital, because I get a lot of traders who, basically are still not, comfortable with a process. So it's really important to implement a process where you know what type of markets, what type of environment you're comfortable trading, and you really need to put an emphasis on your process, to be able to, know and understand the circumstances of when you are wrong. Because the error I'm getting with a lot of traders is they don't know when they're wrong. They're still kind of like in a trade because they hope that the market will get to their break even or a certain price, and they just want to bail out because that's where they think that, the market should just come back and, you know, take them out. Um, it's also all that what are the circumstances of being wrong, and I'm actually getting a lot of traders who are building an account on the side with the profits that they made with, the prop firms that are online, because they really basically went through an evaluation and did their homework and know and understand what circumstances where their edge is as a trader. And if they're not comfortable trading this type of market or super quick markets, depending on the volatility and all that, it's going to be crucial to really go through that. And I'm going to put the emphasis on the fact that you really need to record your screens. Go back and record your screens and watch every trade you did, your entry, because at the end of the day, I totally believe that once you know where you're wrong, and then if you look to work to get perfect entries, if you're able to really know when your entry is right and perfect that to work on the entries, I believe that part of the execution will make a huge difference. The other thing is that some days markets kind of go in together and they align well. So the market correlations, you need to really pay attention to that. I think not having an NQYM, not having those charts or even domes next to your ES will definitely be something that you need to look into. If you're a gold trader, I would suggest that you always have an eye on, crude, gold, the commodities, and maybe the treasuries, just to make sure that they're kind of you could spot the correlations there. For the Nasdaq, I totally believe you need to have yeah, some kind of a chart where you could have Nasdaq main stocks available, just to make sure that you're not forgetting about the fact that the futures are derived from the stocks, Amazon's, Google's, Netflix's. So, and again, sizing. I think if you're able to trade cut losses, scratch trades with one or two lots, you will not have an issue when you get to three, four, five, six lots. So as an investor, once you are sorry, as a trader, if once you are able to, manage one or two lots, I think it will definitely be a key to, learning how to manage when you get to higher lot sizes. As promised, this is FINAMARK, one of the NinjaTrader and FINAMARK are one of the brokers, or sorry, the platforms that you could use to trade. I basically played around with it. Seems like it's pretty decent. You're able to move around certain things. It's kind of web-based with a platform that's giving you access to this. So I think it's pretty neat in terms of what you could use for your trading. There's a time and sales, and then there's a dome, and then you could also have a chart that could be brought up. So that's something that you could also explore. To conclude, here is my link. I will post the link below this video. It should be pretty clear, and you could just click on it and it will lead you to this page where you will be able to get a discount on each account. So give it a try. I think it's worth uh, having one or two prop firms to be able to, go get extra profits and learn your process. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. I will post a link below. And once again, I am really thankful of you guys with my account. I've developed good relationships with a lot of traders, and I think it will definitely be a key. Um, uh, I mean, it will definitely be an important thing for me to develop my accounts and, you know, really interact with you guys. It's been really fun, and hopefully, if there's any questions around Earn2Trade, don't hesitate to contact me. Once again, like I said, I do have many friends who have gone through the evaluations, and it's been, really for them, it's been a great experience. They have nothing to say in regards to how, everything has been with Earn2Trade. So you give it a try and let me know in the comments section below if ever you guys need any other information. I will be glad to help you with that. Okay, so hopefully this was a new account that I wanted to affiliate myself with, and hopefully this will help you guys in your trading journey as well.